Hi there, welcome back to CodeEdge, your easy guide to SAP UI5 and Fiori. In today's video, we are going to talk about data binding in SAP UI5, one of the most important concepts for connecting your UI to your data. Once you understand this, your apps will become way easier to build. What is data binding? Data binding is basically a connection between your UI elements like input, text, list, and your data model like JSON or OData. The best part, you don't have to manually set or get the values. If your data changes, your UI updates automatically. And depending on the type of binding, sometimes even the reverse can happen. Your UI changes data too. There are different types of data binding in SAP UI5. Let's start with one-way binding. In one-way binding, data flows only one direction from the model to view. So, if the model changes, your UI updates. But if the user changes something in the UI, the model does not update. So, here the text control will always show the value from slash username in the model. If the model changes, it updates here, but user edits won't go back to the model. Use this when you just want to show the data without letting the user edit. Now, the another is two-way binding. Two-way binding means data flows both ways, from model to view and from view to model. If the model changes, your UI updates. If the user edits something in the UI, the model also updates. See in the example, this is super useful for forms like super profile edit screens, where changes in the UI should be saved back to the model automatically. Now, the last one is one-time binding. In one-time binding, data flows from the model to the view only once when the app loads. After that, it won't update even if the model or UI changes. Let's see in the example. This is the perfect for showing static or read-only data like one-time generated order number. That's the basic of data binding in SAP UI5. One way for read-only data, two way for editable forms, and one time for static data. Master these and your SAP UI5 development will get much smoother. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CodeEdge. In the next video, we will go deeper into element binding and JSON model. So see you in there.